5G relies on spectrum, and Europe has, I think at this point, essentially agreed that 5G will need to rely on the 700 MHz band for coverage, the C-band for mid-range coverage and capacity, and millimetric band, 26 GHz band for capacity. So this range of frequencies to benefit Europe have to be also harmonized at global level. It's already the case for the 700 MHz band and the 3.5 to 3.6 GHz band, but it is still to be decided for the 26 GHz bands at WRC 19. So what Europe needs to do for preparing this conference and benefit from its decision is to convince the rest of the world that the 2.6 GHz band is one of the right choices to make for allocations and identifications for international mobile telecommunications, which is the generic term for 5G. So convincing other countries and other regions is really the point, and I think at this point Europe has worked well towards this achievement, since you can see that other regional groups, in particular in Region 1 of the ITU, are also quite interested in identifying this band for IMT, and therefore I think Europe has to continue its efforts to convince all the regions of the world and ensure that the bands will be globally harmonized and therefore will be the right choice for benefiting from economies of scale and international roaming and interconnectivity. After 2020, we'll of course need more spectrum for mobile, for 5G and future generations, and we'll need to find the right way of identifying this spectrum. We need to replan the current usage so that the bands which will be decided at WRC 19 and the future conferences are made available for new usage to respond to the evolution of the requirements. So these are the main challenges in spectrum management in the coming years. WRC process, which is held in the forum of the ITU, is by essence a multi-stakeholder process which associates all the industry. The value of events such as the European Spectrum Management Conference is to provide an informal forum for discussing and involve maybe a broader audience than those who are coming for the preparation of WRC, and also to informally discuss between the actors of this preparation as well. So it's an important event, and I think it can explain its success in the past 13 years of its existence.